Okay, today we're going to learn how to make an origami koala bear face. Now, we're going to need a square sheet of paper. If you don't have one, I'm going to show you how to get one right now. You're going to take a full sheet of printer paper. You're going to fold it diagonally, nice and even. You want to make sure it's as even as possible. And you want to cut. Take a pair of scissors. If you're a child, get an adult to help you. Scissors are sharp and dangerous. And you want to cut the extra piece off. When you do that, you'll have a square sheet of paper. Now, I'm going to use some actual origami paper I have laying around. Actually, I'm going to use a regular sheet of paper. Now, you're going to fold it diagonally this way. Now, if you're starting with a colored sheet of paper, you can take that colored sheet of paper and fold it to the back side. So what I mean is, if this side was colored, place it down this way and start that way with the color on the bottom, and then fold that way, and then fold the other way, Alright, now you're going to want to take and use that center line. You're going to fold down. Do the same with the other side. And now you're going to take it and you're going to want to fold just one flap. Diagonally upwards. And do the same with the other side here. So now you have it like that. You're going to take and fold this inwards. And the same with the other side. I'm going to fold this inwards too. You want to make sure they're about even. Now you're going to turn it over. Or first, sorry. You're going to take this. And you're going to fold it in half. So just fold it right down. So you got these down like that. Right? Now fold it, flip it over, and you're going to take I'm going to fold this top layer up. Say about here. Flip it over and do the same. Make sure it's even with the other one. Now, if you've got stuff to color with, grab your stuff to color with, and you could color in koala face. I got some gray here. Whoops. Okay. So we got our gray koala face. Now, we're going to want to draw a face on it. So we're going to want a nose. We're going to want some eyes. And there we go. We have our koala. Crayon didn't turn out very well. That's all I have around at the moment, but if you had a gray piece of paper, it would look a lot nicer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day.